Welcome. Now in this video I'm going to explain how to use array tool. Now the array tool is used to create copies of objects in a specified manner. For example, we have three types of arrays. We have the rectangular, path, and a polar array. Let me start with the polar array. This is used to create an arrangement of objects around a point in a circular form. Now I want to create an array of this semicircle, so select that object and then press enter. Now select the center of our circle at this point, and now we have copies that are arranged in that format. But now another array editing window opens here. The first item here on the top left corner is asking us to specify the number of items. By default it is 6. So if you need 8, you can put 8 items. The angle between them, still you can edit, and the fill. So if you want to fill it up to 180 degrees, so you can make that adjustment and they will fill half of that same circle. The number of rows, they are also specified. Now I'm going to retain 4, and then I want them to fill the whole circle, which is 360 degrees. Once you are done creating the array, you can close array here, and then I can go ahead and use the trim tool to trim this. Now I have created my object here using array command or tool. The second array tool I want us to use is path array. So I can delete this path array. So I have two diagrams here. I'm going to use each. For the path array, it's used to create an array of objects along a path, that is a line, polyline, circle, helix, spline, and any other path. So first thing, you select path array, select the object you want to array, this one, press enter. Now select the path curve. So I want to array it on this curve, so I will select this, and automatically the objects will be aligned in this path. Now this window opens up, this pop, but now you realize there is difference between this path array and the polar array, because now the number of items here is grayed out. Now for you to make the changes, you come and change here on properties. You can now choose divide. So which number of items, how many items do you want, and they divide on that path that's given. So if I say 8, the 8 items will be aligned in that, and the distance between them will be equal. So if I'm using the distance between, I will just come here and change. Then once you are done, you can close the array. The next one, let's see this scenario. Select the array, select this object, press enter, then the path, select this path. Now our items as shown here in this preview, they are in a symmetric order. They are not arranged correctly. So what do? Select the base point. So click here at the base point and select the center of our circle here. That's the Once you select that, now our items will be in a symmetrical order, they'll be arranged well. Now if you want to change the number of items, here there are 30 and you wanted 15, you change from measure here in the properties to divide. So you need 15 items, press 15 and click enter. Now the items that are spaced here, there will be 15 items. So once you are done, you close array. The last array we are going to look is rectangular array. So this one is used to create objects in a rectangular manner. So select this object you want to arrow it and then press enter. Now this array will be formed in length and width direction, that's east and west, north and south, so in a rectangular manner. So you need, let's say for example, columns we have 4 columns, 1 2 3 4, we have 4 rows, we have 3, 1 2 3, the horizontal, those are the rows. So if I need 2 rows, you can edit there and say I need 2 rows, 4 columns, and now I need 5, this 5, and another column will be in between. Now if you want to change the distance between them, this 1275, so you want 1000, so the distance will change. That's how you modify, and the total distance between the rows, now for example is 12,000 and the distance between is 3,000. So that's how you do the changes. Once you are done creating your rows and columns using this rectangular array, you close the array. Now you go ahead with your design.